I am thrilled about how well I am breathing. I'm no longer waking up in the middle of the night, having difficulty breathing, dry mouth, gasping for air. I also feel my tongue working better and reducing my snoring. And my posture is getting stronger and more comfortable. So I am thrilled to dive deeper into this program than I have already done so far. That was a call that I had this morning, and I wanted to share because it goes deeper than just stopping your snoring. It goes to the whole holistic health that is affected when we are breathing better, standing stronger and taller. It affects us in so many levels. And I just wanted to share that with you because we all have reasons why now is the moment we get started. We all have reasons why tomorrow or next week or next month or next year. So I just wanted to share that if this is bothering you right now, why wait? The longer you wait, the longer you feel better. If you don't change, then you're not going to change. So is now your moment to live a healthier, happier life. Because my motto is look, feel, think, and perform better. That's what I can help you with.